In Banner, SGAADVR, or Multiple Advisors page, is used to update a student's primary advisor as well as any additional advisors they may have. In Banner, navigate to the Multiple Advisors screen. In this situation, we will address an instance where a student's advisor record exists but is prematurely set to end on the current term, and the student has an advisor record for a future term. Both entries need to be updated. An example of where this could happen is if the current semester is summer and a student is being admitted for fall. The student already has a Banner entry but hasn't started classes. They may have an existing past advisor entry that ends in fall, and the student has a new advisor entry that starts at fall. We don't want to delete either entry, but need to update both. A student's advisor record is stored in Banner as a block of time. To edit a specific block of time, you will need to enter in the start term for that block of time. Here's how to find the start term. Enter the student ID and the current summer term, then click on the Go button. The block of time for a student's advisor record is defined by the From term and the To term. To edit a specific advisor record block, you need to record the Start From term and enter that term in the Start screen of the Multiple Advisors page. Click on the Start Over button. Enter in the term you found in the From term field, then click on the Go button. Click the Maintenance button. Note, if you were the last person to touch the student's record, you may not need to click on the Maintenance button, but always try that first before editing a student's advisor record. Be sure to click the Copy Advisor button on the following menu. Do not remove the advisor by clicking on the End Advisor button. The End Advisor adds a break in the record and creates a new segment in the From and To Advisor record. Click on the names of the old advisor, and then click the Delete button in the Advisor Information bar. Click on the Insert button in the Advisor Information bar, and enter the new advisor's UAID number into the ID column to add them as an advisor. Press Enter on your keyboard. Click into the Advisor Type column and enter MAJR. If the new advisor is the student's primary advisor, be sure to check the Primary Indicator checkbox. A student may only have one primary advisor. If a student only has a department advisor and a person advisor on the list, the person advisor must be marked as the primary advisor. Click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. You may need to repeat this step to edit a previous advisor record or a future advisor record. Let's check our future advisor record for this student. To do that, we would enter the fall semester term and see what our From and To date ranges display as. Enter the term for the fall semester. The From term date is the same as the term date we just entered. We can update this record. In Banner, 6 nines in the To term field means to infinity and beyond. The To term is indicating it's the last record for this student. You can update the student's records using the steps covered earlier in this tutorial.